Okay, this is a quick video to show you how to upgrade from version 0.3 Peercoin wallet to the latest version, which is version 0.4. Now, this is a mandatory update, and it's supposed to be you're supposed to have upgraded before May the 4th, but today's May the 20th, and I imagine there are a few people out there who've missed the actual deadline, but you can still upgrade and it shouldn't be too much of a problem. And I just thought I'd do a quick video to show you how I do it. So there is a guide, and it's on peercointalk.org, and this is the link up here. And the first post goes through the instructions. The ones in bold are quite useful. So I think first thing first is to launch the current version of the wallet. So mine's located in C drive, program files, ppcoin, but just open up your wallet however you do and launch that. Okay, and the first thing you should notice when you open it up, if you're connected to the network, which I am, is that there's this notice here saying to upgrade to version 0.4 by May the 4th. So we know we have to do that. So the first thing is to back up the current wallet that you've got, and you can do that by going to File, Backup Wallet. I'm just going to put mine on the desktop. Wallet backup.dat. Just call it whatever you want with a DAT file extension. Save that. Now, I did go through in another video how to secure your wallet backups using TrueCrypt, but at the moment, just for demonstration purposes, I've just put it onto my desktop. So I've backed up my wallet, and then it says to write down your wallet balance, new mint and stake. The next step is to shut down and uninstall the version 0.3 client. By the way, if you're interested in what version you've actually currently got, you can find that out by opening up your wallet. And then under help, there should be an about ppcoin. Just click on that and you can see the version. So the current version I've got is version 0.3.0. Okay, so I'll just close that again. In the same folder as your ppcoin wallet, there should also be an uninstall.exe, and that's what you need to run to uninstall the current version. So once you've shut that down, navigate to your program files, ppcoin, and then click on uninstall. And then it will say ppcoin uninstalling from. Now, for some reason on my version, the uninstaller doesn't work because it doesn't know where to uninstall it from. I think that's a bug. So when I click uninstall, it says completed and I close it, but all my files are still here in program files, ppcoin. So the uninstaller actually didn't work. Hopefully in your version, the uninstaller should have got rid of all the relevant files. But if you have that problem, all you need to do is just go to this folder, ppcoin, and just click delete. And then, yes. And it's just going to delete all those files. And that's the same as what the uninstaller does. Okay, so the next step is to download and install the version 0.4 client. And you can find that at the Peercoin website, so I'll just go to that. Okay, and there's a download wallet link to click on. Now I'm on Windows, so unfortunately this video I can only show you how to do it on Windows. I imagine it's fairly similar with Mac and Linux, but like I said, I'm on Windows, so that's what I'm going to be showing. I'm just going to go to download Windows wallet. It says download will start in 1 second, and you can see that the file that is being downloaded is ppcoin and it's version 0.4.0. So I'm going to save that. once it's downloaded, we've got the file to be able to install the new version. So I'll just double click on this, run it, click next, and this is the location where it's going to install it, which is, as you can see, it was the location I just deleted previously for my previous version. So I'm just going to click next, install, next, and then I'm going to click finish and let it run. So there we go, and then it says warning, blockchain re-download required, approaching or past version 0.4 upgrade deadline. And so all the previous information from the blockchain that I had is now out of date. So in the next video I'll show you how to sort that out, but let's just verify that this is the correct version. So I'm going to go to about ppcoin, and you should see it's version 0.4. So the correct version is now installed. So I'm going to shut that down. And like I said, in the next video, I'll show you how to sort out the blockchain.